Introduction to webinars. A webinar is essentially a virtual seminar conducted over the internet. It stands for web seminar. Unlike traditional seminars or workshops that require physical presence, webinars allow people to participate from the comfort of their own homes or offices. Think of it as an interactive online event where participants can engage with presenters, ask questions, and share insights in real time. Let's get started. Let's go to the key features. Real-time interaction. Imagine attending a webinar on a digital marketing strategy. The presenter discusses the latest trends, and you can ask questions or share your experiences through a live chat. The interaction creates a dynamic learning environment. Live presentations. A business expert hosts a live webinar on effective leadership in the digital age. They share their screen to present slides, demonstrate leadership principles, and engage the audience with their insights. Q&A sessions. Example: during a webinar on personal finance, the presenter concludes the session with a dedicated Q&A segment. Participants ask questions about budgeting, investments, and financial planning, receiving immediate responses. Polls and surveys. In a webinar about healthy living, organizers conduct a live poll asking participants about their preferred fitness activities. The results help tailor the discussion to the audience's interests. Let's consider two scenarios. Entrepreneurial insight. You're an aspiring entrepreneur interested in e-commerce. Attending a webinar titled E-commerce Success Secrets gives you access to live insights from industry experts, practical tips, and a chance to connect with fellow entrepreneurs. Educational webinar. If you're a student, imagine joining a live academic webinar on a complex subject. Professors present complex concepts in real time, and you can ask questions to clarify doubts instantly. How to participate. Participating in a webinar is easy. Pre-registration. You find a webinar on social media marketing, and the organizers ask you to register in advance. Once registered, they send you a confirmation email with the webinar link and details. Let's go to benefits of webinars. Flexibility and accessibility. A working professional attends a webinar on project management during a lunch break, gaining valuable insights without disrupting the workday. Networking opportunities. A participant in a webinar on digital entrepreneurship engages with others in the chat, leading to new connections and potential collaborations. Learning from experts. Someone passionate about photography attends a live webinar by a renowned photographer, learning advanced techniques and gaining industry insights. Tips for hosting a successful webinar. Engaging content. Example: a marketing expert creates a webinar on building a compelling brand. They use engaging visuals, case studies, and real-life examples to captivate the audience. Audience interaction. A fitness trainer hosting a workout webinar encourages participants to share their progress in the chat and asks questions about their fitness goals. Visuals and multimedia. A cooking enthusiast hosts a webinar on gourmet recipes, using high-quality visuals and sharing their screen to demonstrate cooking techniques. Encourage participation. An environmentalist hosting a webinar on sustainable living conducts live polls to gauge participants' interest in eco-friendly practices and encourages them to share their own tips. Closing thoughts. Webinars offer a rich and dynamic online experience, bringing people together for shared learning and interaction. Whether you're attending or hosting, they provide a unique platform for knowledge exchange and community building.